Hello guys, today we are going to make a delicious tuna salad with souse. Deep fry the zucchini. After frying, set aside. Then, lightly fry the bell pepper. Next, put the souse and add the red bell pepper. And cherry tomatoes. Add the lightly fried almond pine nuts. Lightly. And next, put the tuna. And now we will make a salad sauce. First, put olive oil. Balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, honey, lemon, mix. Red pepper. Put the souse on the salad. Mix well. And mix well to taste the souse in the salad. This is my healthy and delicious tuna salad. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.